So we need a very inclusive safety net. And that's what doesn't exist right now. We have to intervene because a safety net did not include everybody prior to this pandemic. So I believe that, you know, food, housing, and getting our jobs back, you know, job security is what we need to really fight for the most. We have people who are at risk of losing their homes. We have to protect the affordable housing that we do have. We have to get people back to work and into good paying jobs. And there are a lot of, like I said, a lot of holes. Unemployment insurance is not accessible to the undocumented. Medi-Cal is not available to undocumented over 26 years of age. There are many low-wage workers who have barely have a few days of sick leave. And so those are the priorities. Having what this has forced us in Sacramento is we have lost 2 months of the legislative process, 2 months of hearings, 2 months of debate. And now we're forced to condense all of these issues into a much shorter time period. We're going to know in the next few weeks what the governor proposes as the substitute budget to what he proposed in January. And we're going to have the debates. Where are our values? Where are we going to put the funding that we do have and not cut from the things that we treasure and that our families need to be able to survive on? That's going to be a very strong debate, and we should not shy away from the debate in order for the best decisions to be made. We have a lot of work to do, and especially over the budget and over the few months that are left. What are the legislation that we're going to be able to, that we should focus on in passing? And again, we've been asked to, you know, limit the number of legislation. So what is it that we can end up with is going to be the result of a lot of push and pull. And I expect, and I need, and like other legislators, need your organizations to participate in that, even if we have to do it in a different way from what we're used to. We should not engage. We have to engage in that.